Sharing a quick and easy recipe of Panchratni Dal, which is a mix of 5 lentils. For this, I am taking 2 spoons each of green Mung, whole Masoor, Chana Dal, tuvar Dal and finally whole Urad Dal. Mix and wash and soak them for 3 to 4 hours at least, or you can also soak them overnight. Next, pressure cook them with a bay leaf and 1 black cardamom, some salt to taste and just a little bit water till the level of the lentils. Pressure cook on high for 3 to 4 whistles, then simmer it for 5 minutes on low. After lentils are boiled, we will start making tadka for the dal. Take 2 tablespoons ghee in a pan. You can also use any oil instead. As oil heats up, keep the heat on medium and add 2 teaspoons of Panch poran seeds, which is a mix of jeera, saunf, mustard, methi and kalonji seeds. Right after that, add 1 to 2 green chillies and 1 medium-sized chopped onion and saute it for a bit. Salt can be added too to remove moisture from the onions so that they start becoming slightly brown. Add grated ginger and garlic after that and saute that as well. Full recipe with quantity is mentioned in description for you to check out. Now as the onion has become slightly brown, add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of coriander powder and a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder. Mix it well till the spices are roasted and add 2 to 3 teaspoons of water if spices stick to the pan. Once the spices roast, add 2 finely chopped tomatoes. Mix well and let them cook until they are soft and mushy. This might take 4 to 5 minutes or so. In the meanwhile, please subscribe to my channel if you have not for more tasty recipes. Once tomatoes looks half done, add 2 tablespoons fresh thick yogurt and mix. Saute it and let it cook on medium heat until you see little bit oil oozing out from sides of the tadka. Tadka looks ready now, so let's add those boiled lentils into it and mix well. You can also adjust the water if needed. Looks like it needs half a cup of water more to get the right consistency, so I am adding it. Consistency of this dal should not be more thick or thin either. It should be thick but flowy. Now cover and cook for 4 to 5 minutes, keeping the heat of the stove between medium and low. Stir once in between so that the dal doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Once it has cooked for a bit, add some crushed kasoori methi and half a teaspoon of garam masala. You can also add a teaspoon of butter to elevate the flavor and richness of the dal, but it's completely optional. This dal is a great replacement of the usual dal makhani. You will truly love the flavor once you try it. At the end, add little bit of mint leaves and coriander leaves and a squeeze of lemon and now mix it well. Now the dal is completely ready. You can enjoy it with some rice or some roti. It goes very well with everything. Hope you like this recipe. If you try it, do let me know in comments. Thanks for watching.